Okay, so I want agent mode to generate a flow for me that connects GitHub, Jira, and Slack. And when a pull request is merged in this repository, I want it to find the corresponding Jira issue that's based on the issue key in the PR title or branch name. And then I want it to move that issue to done and then post a Slack message that's confirming the update with links to both the PR and the Jira issue. So agent mode is asking me for my Jira instance base URL. So I'm going to type that in. And then it says, do you prefer Slack incoming webhook URL or a bot token plus channel? I prefer a bot token plus channel. And then if you already know the Jira done transition ID, include it. And I know that that is 44. Okay, perfect. So now agent mode said that I need to set up some environment variables. I need to set up the configuration and my Slack bot token and Slack channel. So I'm going to do that now. So I've set this up to use my Jira credentials, and I've also set up my Slack token and Slack bot. I also set up the Slack channel that I want the message to go to. Okay, so now let's test this out. Let's say I get assigned this Jira ticket, add a new request for enabling a feature flag conditionally for a specific segment, and we can see that it's in progress here. Okay, so now let's go to cursor, and we're going to add in that function. And this will enable a feature flag conditionally for a specific segment, which is what was requested in the Jira ticket. Let's save this and commit. And we need to add the ticket number in the title of the PR. Okay, now let's go to GitHub and let's open a PR. We can see that new function here. And now let's merge that pull request. Now we can see the PR was successfully merged. Now a couple of things are going to happen. Let's open Slack. We can see I just got this message that this issue has been moved to done. Now if we go to Jira, I can see that that issue has also been moved to done in Jira.